Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Quick video here. We're going to be taking a look and analyzing the iPhone 15 event invite image here, and this is actually a video. This is from Greg over at Apple. September 12th is the Apple event. Here you can see it is a shimmering Apple logo with some dust coming off of it. It's called Wonderlust is the name of the event. Got some dust coming off of it, and we've got some, I guess you could call it like titanium and bluish hues to it. Some people say they see a little bit of gold in it, maybe. So a lot of people are thinking this is going to be the color scheme for the iPhone 15 Pros, and the fact that we have the kind of titanium effect, because titanium has that kind of dust to it. I think we are going to be seeing the transition from the stainless steel like we have with the iPhone 14 here. I think we're going to be getting a titanium frame similar to what we have on the Apple Watch Ultra. So that's kind of my interpretation of this logo, and the same thing is being said over on X as well. So that is the analyzation I have given this. That's my opinion, my prediction for the September 12th Apple event. September 12th is the event. September 15th pre-orders will go live, and then September 22nd you can purchase iPhones in store. Pick up your pre-order, and your pre-orders will start being delivered. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.